Good day, everyone. Today, we will be talking about a very important topic: programs supporting family involvement in education. The introduction: family involvement plays a vital role in a child's learning journey. In the context of Filipino society, where extended family structures are common, it becomes even more important to decide educational programs that are inclusive, culturally sensitive, and collaborative. Why is family involvement important? When families are engaged, children are more likely to have higher academic achievement, perform better in school, show better social skills and behavior, develop stronger motivation and self esteem, and stay in school and graduate. Educational success becomes a shared responsibility between the schools and families, not just the job of educators alone. Programs supporting family involvement in education are structured initiatives designed to actively engage family members, including the parents, guardians, and extended relatives, in the educational development of children. These programs aim to build strong partnerships between home and school, recognizing that learning is most effective when families are informed, involved, and empowered. In the Filipino context, such programs honor the importance of close family ties and community participation, ensuring that education is a shared and inclusive effort that reflects cultural values and responds to real life needs. These are the key features of family involved programs. First, inclusiveness. Programs should welcome not just parents, but also grandparents, older siblings, guardians, and other extended family members who are actively involved in a child's life. The second, partnership with families. These programs promote mutual respect and trust between educators and families, encouraging collaboration and two-way communication. Third, cultural relevance. In the Philippines, education program should reflect Filipino values of close family ties, respect for elders, and community unity, or we also call this the bayanihan. Fourth, accessibility. Programs must be flexible in format, offering in-person and remote option, and considerate of the family's time, work, schedules, and resources. So these are the examples of programs supporting family involvement. First, Brigada Escuela for the Department of Education. This nationwide volunteer programs engages families and communities in school maintenance and improvement efforts. It fosters ownership and partnership between schools and stakeholders. Second, parenting education programs such as the DSWD or the LGUs. Programs like the Parent Effective Service or PES train parents or caregivers in topics like child development, positive discipline, and family health, empowering them as first educators. Third, the Homeroom Parent Teacher Association or the HPTA. So this promote classroom level cooperation, giving parents direct involvement in classroom activities, learning and support, and even policy input. Fourth, literacy and reading together campaigns. Reading programs encourage family members to participate in reading activities at home or school, supporting children's language and cognitive development. Five, Testes Community Based Training Program. We also call this the CBTP. So, in many areas, TESTA includes family and community members in skills training programs that improve livelihood and support education at home. So, these are the pictures, no? Showing the CBTP training. So, lahi ni sa nga training. So, namo diri sa TESTA, nagdepende na sa mga municipality kung kinsa ang gusto nga mag-conduct og training. So, nila na mga LGUs nga maingon nga, librehon sila ang mo provide sa mga training supplies nga gamiton. So nga mua kami ang mo-provide sa trainer mga gamiton nga mga supplies para na nga training sa amo siya. So napayuban mga LGUs nga mohatag pod nila og mga starter toolkits para mag-start silang training no. So na sila magamit. So nadepende ra na sa budget sa usa ka LGU. So the conclusion, supporting family involvement is not a one-time effort. So it requires continuous communication, community collaboration, and a genuine respect for the important role families play in a child's success. So when schools and communities work together, we build stronger learners and stronger families. So that would be all. Thank you for watching.